They do. They're debating. Random.
Oh, okay, here we go.
Alright.
StarDestroyer 45.
I think Jake's playing Luigi while Kevin's playing Sheik.
DarkChocolateGamer, right?
Yeah, that's his name.
Gamer?
Gamer. DarkChocolateGamer.
There we go. Oh, I gotta shorten this one actually.
Kevin's already off to a pretty quick start.
CG. Oop. You know what? I'll just fix that as well. Did it fix? Well, yeah,
I already told them.
Yeah, Happy New
Sorry,
Year.
and man, Zach, when you gotta work, you know, why would you want to be here when you're working? He obviously loves taking care of old people.
I guess so. So, let's see. We got some jabs, we got some counters. Not exactly counters. Got a lot of Luigi launches. What I've actually noticed from Jake here, that he uses his fireballs to neutralize enemies. Use fireball reset. That's what he calls it. He calls it a fireball reset. And there goes another stock for StarDestroyer. Down. Oh, mamma mia. So what exactly do you think of how it's going on right here?
How it's going right here?
Yeah, how's it going right here? What do you think how these players are going through?
Alright, well, I think out of these two players, I've seen Jake play a little bit. He's good. He's a good player.
He's a very good player, but
he's still got a lot of learning to do.
Especially against DarkChocolateGamer, because he's more one of the elites.
When you go against the veterans like Mikhail or Dan,
me and Jake are practically like 1 year veterans currently, because we joined back in our sophomore year. Oh, and I think, what is it, the Shurikens or something? Shurikens? Yeah, I forgot about the Shurikens. Surprised I haven't seen Jacob pull the Shoryuken on DCG yet.
They're very sharp, so I'm gonna say.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Ooh.
He's trying. He lasted just a second.
Alright, that 1 point go for BC right here. Alright. Well, go ahead. Go ahead to the next match if you guys are ready.
Alright. They're gonna decide the map. We're waiting. Very tough decisions. And Pokemon Stadium.
Okay, so Sheik is now in play.
He immediately goes to Sheik.
Huh?
He immediately goes to Sheik.
Well, yeah.
Apparently Zelda's not good enough for him.
I guess so. Well, it's probably because BC's more specialized with Sheik instead of Zelda. I mean, of course, this is Melee. Yeah. The disrespect. Yeah, there's a lot of disrespect going on.
You gotta remember, this is Melee, not Project M. Not the same game, as I learned.
This actually came out way earlier before Brawl, and well, Brawl came before Part 2. Oh, that missile hit though. That was a headshot too. And Jake draws first blood for this game. Yeah, he's getting sent in the air. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say he's getting sent in the air a lot, and he's still surviving.
He's a survivor. You gotta give him that.
Yep.
This is probably one of my favorite stages, just because it always changes.
Yeah, I don't like Pokemon Stadium all that much, just because, like, that was a misfire?
Yeah.
Oh wow. That looked like Sheik threw a bomb at you.
Sheik's taking the lead.
Wow. Well, I guess that misfire actually did help. Well, now it's currently a little even. Jake is still a little bit ahead. A little bit ahead. Oh, I jinxed it. I think. My bad.
We'll see how it turns out.
Jake's. He's a good. Sorry about that, but Jake's a good player.
You should be.
He is. He's a very good player. I usually play with him like almost all the time.
Jake's an extremely good player. Just keep on the concentration and beat Kevin.
I would say that. I don't know, Gigabills. I don't know.
See, he's taking my words to heart.
Already? Are you sure?
Just wait for it.
No, seriously. Here. So are suburban schools allowing video game clubs clubs now so kids don't do heroin?
I mean, heroin is pretty fun and everything, but video games.
It's a freaking drug.
Yeah, drugs are bad.
DarkChocolateGamer takes the win.